Hey everyone, welcome back to LambdaTest. Today we are going to learn about LambdaTest tunnel Docker extension. As the demand for web applications continues to rise, so does the importance for testing them thoroughly. One challenge that testers often face is how to test web applications that are hosted locally on their machines. This is where LambdaTest tunnel Docker extension comes in handy. This extension allows to establish a secure and encrypted connection between your local environment and LambdaTest platform, making it possible to test your locally hosted pages and applications on a remote browser. With Docker extension, you can build and integrate software applications into your daily workflow. Using LambdaTest tunnel Docker extension, it provides a seamless and hassle-free experience for establishing a secure connection and performing cross-browser testing of your local hosted websites and web applications on LambdaTest platform, without manually launching a tunnel through the CLI. LambdaTest tunnel Docker extension opens up a whole new world of options for testing workflows by adding new features. Docker Desktop has an easy-to-use one-click installation feature that allows you to use LambdaTest tunnel Docker extension directly from your desktop. Now let's get started on how to set up LambdaTest tunnel with Docker extension. You need to download Docker application on your system. If you haven't done that yet, you can go visit Docker website and download Docker Desktop according to your system configurations. The second step is to create a LambdaTest account if you don't have already one. Visit LambdaTest website and create your free account today. On to the next steps for running LambdaTest tunnel with Docker extension. Go to Docker Desktop and click on Extensions. If you're not able to see your Docker extensions over here, you have to manually enable them using the Settings tab. Go to Settings, click on Extensions, and click on Enable Docker extension. By clicking on Apply and Restart, you will be enabled the Docker extensions on your Docker Desktop. Now go to the Marketplace and search for LambdaTest tunnel. By clicking on Install, you will be able to install LambdaTest tunnel on your Docker Desktop. Open the LambdaTest tunnel and click on Setup tunnel to configure the tunnel. You need to provide your LambdaTest username, access key, and preferred tunnel name. Once these details have been entered, click on Launch tunnel. You can get your username and access key through the LambdaTest platform. Go to your LambdaTest dashboard and click on Profile. Now click on Password and Security. Now you can copy your username and access token from it. Now enter your tunnel name. Click on Launch tunnel. The LambdaTest tunnel will be launched and you can see your running tunnel logs. Post this, you can start local testing your LambdaTest tunnel Docker extension. You can also see your activated Docker tunnel over through the LambdaTest dashboard. As you can see, the tunnel has been activated. For more details, go to our support doc on LambdaTest tunnel extension. Thank you.